What if the ad you like most is not the ad your customer prefer? This happens often inside Google Ad. A business owner may like free estimate, but customer may respond better to same day service. Without testing, we are only guessing. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how A/B testing can help us make a better Google Ad decision. A/B testing means comparing two versions, measuring the result, and learning what customer value. The goal is not only to find a winning version, the goal is to understand why customer choose it. In this presentation, we will learn how to plan a clear test, which result matter most, which mistake to avoid, and how one test can guide the next decision. Let's begin with why guessing often create poor result. This is my slide 1. The topic is do not guess what work. Imagine an HVAC company write a new ad. The business owner pressure free estimate. The advertiser pressure same day repair. Both ideas sounds useful, but opinion alone cannot prove which one will bring better customer. Now imagine the company runs free estimated or 2 weeks. Then they change it to same day repair. The second message bring more booked jobs. Can we say the second message is better? Not always. During the second period, the weather may be better, hotter, search demand may higher, the budget may be different, or a competition may have changed. A simple before and after check may give the wrong answer. We should also avoid judging only by clicks. We estimate may bring more clicks but weak leads. Same day repair may bring fewer clicks but more urgent call and book jobs. More clicks do not always mean more business value. A controlled test helps us compare to clear ideas, reduce guesswork, and make safer decisions. A/B testing replaces opinion with real customer data. Now let's understand what a useful test insight mean. And this is my slide 2. The topic is what is an A/B test insight. An A/B test uses two versions. Version A usually the current version, and version B include one main change. For example, version A says certified AC repair team. Version B says same day AC repair. The test first give us a result. For example, version B create more qualified lead, more appointment, and a lower cost per books. Then we find the insight. The insight explain what we learn. In this case, urgent customer may care about more first service. Then them certified during as the first click decision. Then we choose an action. We may use the winning message, test it another urgent service group, or create a new test about speed. The full process is version A, version B, result, insight, and action. A result tells us which version did better, and insight tells us what customer may value. But do not copy the winning message everywhere. The lesson is may only apply to urgent searches, mobile user, or the one service type. A test become useful when the result gives us a clear business lesson. Now let's see why A/B testing matters. And this is my slide 3. The topic is why A/B testing matters. The first benefit is better lead quality. A test can show which message attract people who are more likely to qualify, book, and buy. The second benefit is a lower cost per good lead. One version may bring more total leads, but another may bring fewer and better leads. The second version may be more profitable. The third benefit is better offer. A roofing company may test free estimate against a free roof check. The result may show which offer homeowners value more. The fourth benefit is better landing page. You may test a call first page, a short form, a stronger headline, more proof, or clear price details. The fifth benefit is lower risk. Instead of changing the full account, you test one idea inside one campaign first. Suppose version A has a 12% CTR, but only 10% of the leads qualify. Version B has 9% CTR, but 50% of the lead qualify. Version A gets more click, version B gets better customer. That is why we should review click, lead, qualify lead, appointment, customer, and revenue. A good test improves the real business result, not only the ad number. Let's review a simple HVAC headline test. Imagine an HVAC company running ad for urgent AC repair. The company wants to know which headline bring better customer. Version A says certified AC repair team. The message focuses on skill, trust, and proof. Version B says same day AC repair. The message focus on speed, availability, and fast help. Before starting, the advertiser writes a simple test idea. Urgent AC customer will respond better to fast service than them certified. Both versions should stay almost the same, except for the main headline. They should use same service area, similar targeting, the same landing page, and a similar budget. After enough data, version B create more qualified calls, more same-day bookings, and a lower cost per good lead. Result is version B wins. The insight is urgent customer care most about fast help. The landing page should support the same promise. If the ad says same day repair, the page should show today availability, a clear phone number, the service area, and an easy booking setup. The test shows what the customer group valued most. A good test explains why customer responded, not only which word owns. But weak test design can lead to a bad decision. And this is my slide 5. Here I include some common mistake of A/B testing. The first mistake is testing without a clear idea. The advertiser changes something but doesn't explain what result is expected or why the customer responds. The second mistake is changing too many things. For example, version B has a new headline or a new offer, a new CTA, a shorter form, and a new page. If the result changes, we do not know what caused it. The third mistake is shopping too early. One strong day, one large sale, or one advice group can change the result. The test need enough time, traffic, and good lead. The fourth mistake is judging only by CTR. A message may get more click but bring weaker lead and fewer sales. Fifth mistake is testing with too little traffic. A campaign with only a few clicks per week may need more time before we can trust the result. The sixth mistake is running many change at once. If you also change bits, keyword, location, and the landing page, the test become unclear. The seventh mistake is ignoring lead quality. More forms do not always mean more good customer. A weak test create number but do not save decision. A good test need one clear idea, one main change, enough data, and a business result. Now let's build a simple testing process. The first step is write a clear test idea. It's also called a hypothesis. It simply means what you expect to happen and why. For example, using a speed focus headline will bring more qualified emergency call. The second step is choose one main change. This may be your headline, offer, CTA, form length, pull section, or page layout. The third step is choose the main success number. This may be qualified lead rate, cost per qualified lead, appointment rate, close rate, or cost per customer. CTR can be support number. The fourth step is run the test long enough. Allow time for different days, device, location, search demand, and competition. The fifth step is check key group. A version may win overall, but perform differently on mobile, desktop, different location, or different search types. The sixth step is record the result. Write down what you tested, why you tested it, what happened, and what you learned. The final step is choose the next action. You may apply the winner, reject the new version, extend the test, or test again with a clear setup. A good test is planned before it starts. Clear planning makes the final decision easier and safer. Now let's learn why the winner won. After a test, do not only ask which version won. Ask why did customer care about. You may test speed against trust, for example, same day service against license and insured. If speed win for urgent searches, customer may care about most faster. You may also test clear price against easy booking. For example, upfront pricing against book online today. The result may show whether customer worry more about cost or the booking process. You may test a phone CTA against a phone CTA. Call for first help may work better for mobile emergency user. Request an estimate may work better for desktop visitor. A short form may bring more leads but weaker lead quality. A longer form may bring fewer leads but better customer details. One test may also have different winner across device, location, service, or search intent. The winning version teaches us about customer need, not only the ad. One result should help create the next test, the same day service win. If the next test may compare with it, technician available now. The base test help us learn what customer value most. Let's finish with a simple action. Here is the full process. Step 1. Choose a useful test. Test something that may affect customer interest, lead quality, or sales. Step 2. Write the test ideas. Date, what you will change, what result you expect, and why customer may respond. Step 3. Change one main thing. Do not change the headline, offer, CTA, form, and page all at once. Step 4. Choose a business result. Use qualified leads when possible. Also review appointment, close rate, cost per customer, and revenue. Step 5. Wait for enough data. Do not stop after one good day or a few conversion. Step 6. Record the test. Write down version A, version B, the test idea, the result, the lesson, and the final decision. Step 7. Choose the next step. Apply, reject, extend, or text again. Step 8. Create the next test. Use the lesson to plan better follow-up test. The final formula is clear test idea plus one main change plus business data plus customer learning equal smarter Google Ad decision. So do not test only to stay busy. Test to learn what customer value, what brings better lead, and what deserve more budget. Plan the test, measure the result, learn from the customer, and use that lesson for the next decision. So here is the main lesson. Google Ad decision should not depend only on opinions, personal choice, or guesses. A/B testing gives us a clear why to compare, message, offer, landing pages, and CTAs. But a good test needs one clear idea, one main change, enough data, and a business result. Do not choose a winner using CTR alone. Follow the full path from click to lead to qualify lead to appointment to customer and review. Then ask, why did this version work better? Did customer care about speed, trust, price, easy booking, proof, or simple next step? The main value of A/B testing is not find one final winner. It's learning more about the customer. With every test, this is how A/B testing helps us make safer decisions, improve lead quality, and scale ideas that customer have proven every value. So thank you everyone for watching this presentation. Now I would love to share your question. Question may include test idea, headline test, landing page test, lead quality tracking, or how to choose a winner. If you have any question on that topic, feel free to ask me in the comment box.